Right, so I'm Kirk Johnstone. You might recognise me from YouTube On The Trowel. I'm here today at Wetherby Le Rock. Now, this is the place where they make eco-rend, so we're going to go and meet the guys now. Let's go. You must be Alex.
And this must be Kirk.
How are you, mate?
Welcome to Wetherby Le Rock. Pleased to meet you.
Nice to see you in person.
I understand that you've accidentally bumped into the world's best render ever invented.
He's not joking, it genuinely is.
We're an innovation and technology-led manufacturer of performance building products and systems. And here at Wetherby Le Rock, we're a centre of excellence for coloured renders, exterior paints and coatings for the new build and refurbishment market in the UK, and this is what we focus on. This is where we'll bring contractors in to begin with and talk about render systems, talk about specifications.
One of the things that we get asked a lot is people have built these little garden planters up and then they want to put straight render on it. There's no damp-proof course. The filament of soil that's coming through. So I was looking at this at FS Rated and they said it's waterproof, so straight away in my mind I was thinking...
And that's exactly right with that. For below DPC, for garden walls, this will last.
Really good for impact resistance, so it's going to take the dings and knocks that it's going to get.
Technology centre. So this is where all formulations are developed, tested, and we check that we meet all of the standards. So you can see that's got a render system on that we've been testing. If it goes through this cycle for a month, it's then proven to be suitable for exterior exposure in the UK.
What we need in here is like a 10-year-old with a football and a mountain bike crashing it into the walls.
That's right. And that's what we simulate. I'll show you something that simulates that.
Right.
If you look down under there,
Wow.
So the ball will drop through, and we've got what's called a 3 joules and then a 10 joules.
Just for reference, that is about twice the weight of a snooker ball.
You can see. And what we're looking for is the indentation, but no cracking. But the weight of that dropping down onto there, that's like a hammer. So in here, this is where the system's controlled from. So it's all controlled from central PLC unit.
When you watch this, if you time between each bag, 1, 2, 3, every 3 seconds they just fire another one out. It'd be ace if I could put it on the wall as fast as what they make it.
So our training academy.
That's impressive, isn't it? Yeah. That's ace, that. Is this where people can come and test and practice?
So this is where people come in and apply product, try it, use it.
It's a playroom for plasterers, isn't it?
Yeah,
that's what it's about.
Yeah. If you're a plastering nerd, this is the place to come to. Like me. Initial thoughts was the size of this place, you know, it's massive. These are handling like thousands and thousands, well, one bag every three seconds, and the place is absolutely immaculate. You can eat your dinner off the floor. Quite a few different bagged renders that you can use. Now, I've used most of them, and what you find is I'm a hand applicator. I don't spray the stuff on, so when I'm using the stuff, how it works, how it feels to hand apply it makes a big difference to me. It's like using whipped cream. You know, as opposed to trying to stick clay to a wall, it's just like spreading whipped cream. It's just lovely. It sticks straight away, it flattens in, it doesn't slump. It's just lovely to use. I didn't realise how much testing and development went into it. In my mind, you know, I'm thinking, okay, it's a cement-based render. White cement, some silver sand, maybe some pigments, some colours, and they're just chucking it in a bag, you know, mixing it up. But when you go around and you see the scale and the detail, and, you know, there's 30 different parts going into one bag of render, to be fair, it's quite mind-blowing how much actually goes into just producing this render. After meeting with all the guys and seeing the plant, seeing a family-run business, most companies don't really care much as long as you're buying their product. The fact that these guys will let you just come down here and show you, you know, and you can practice, they've got all the kit and you can just get stuck in. And actually, it's like you can serve your apprenticeship in a day for free on how to use all the modern stuff, which is great.